Hi everyone. Here you see one of the most important intervention equipments used in the oil industry, which is called the coiled tubing unit. I want to explain you the main parts of the coiled tubing units. As you see, all of the parts are placed mounted on a trailer mounted chassis. The first part at the front of the chassis is the power pack. The power pack contains an engine that provides high pressure hydraulic fluid, which is hydraulic oil, and also high pressure gas, which is reserved in the accumulators for emergency use. The next part is the control cabin, that is a control and monitoring center for operation. The next part is the coiled tubing reel, which is a stainless steel spool that is used to wrap and hold the coiled tubing pipe tightly and via the rotation that is empowered by a hydraulic motor. The next and most important part is the injector head. Injector head incorporates the internal chain assembly that empowers the coiled tubing pipe for snapping in and pulling out of the well by a controlled traction force. The coiled tubing pipe is gripped by these chains and inserted into the well by these rotating chains. At the bottom of the injector head, we have the streeter, which is the primary barrier against the well pressure and prevents the well blowout during the operation. Another pressure control system or pressure control equipment that we have is the BOP system, which is called quad BOP because it contains or incorporates 4 BOP rams. From bottom to top, we have pipe ram, we have Phillips ram, we have shear ram, and blind ram. At the top of injector head, we have a bended chassis which is called gooseneck. The gooseneck will prevent the pipe from overbending. Another tool that we see here is called level wind. Level wind would guide the pipe on the right position on the reel such that the pipe wrapped around the reel tightly. So this is all about the coiled tubing equipment.